Alright, well, I got 2 new parts on my bike, so, I'm gonna be doing another bike check. Alright, starting off with the front end, ODI long necks. Still have the flanges on right now, so I'm starting to like them. They don't really get in the way, they're really short. Gary Young, third variation bars. Salt stem off of a We the People. Scavenger fork bolt. Some random spacers. FSA pig headset. Let's see. Front tag got a Salt pitch raw 20 by 2.25. We have Odyssey Vandero 2 hub with Odyssey spokes. Shadow Conspiracy pegs. Scavenger flat iron forks. In the back we have Profile racing cranks. Odyssey TC pedals. Tree 26 tooth sprocket. KMC crazy chain. Salt complete back wheel off of We the People. Odyssey dirt path, really worn down. The frame is a We the People Four Seasons. Seat, I have a really ridiculously torn up Duo Rogue Status with an E-Class seat post, which you can't really see. It won't come out, so yeah, that's my bike check. 21.5 pounds. Rate, comment, subscribe.